2025 Nissan Altima. With less than 19,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, wood grain trim, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!